Tara, samahan niyo ulit ako mag-strawberry picking. And yes, kakagising ko lang for tanghaling pagtulog after work kasi very tired tayo. Kasi nag-work tayo kahapon sa ating part-time and then today is sa ating main job. So, pagod ang lala niya but still, let's go! So guys, andito na ulit tayo mag-picking. Kaya yun ang itsura natin, ha? Kasi, so magmukbang na naman tayo dito. Let's go. So dito tayo maghanap. Tingnan natin kung mayroon ba. So, parang tara. Ayan o. Siya, Bobs.
What about this one, Bob? Or still white?
Shower.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Show. Here's the eye. Let's go, guys. Ito, oh. Show, mas. This is a lot still. Kahit hindi pa yan masyadong hinog. Show, Bobs, it's a lot. See, there's like almost rotten because there's still a lot. So guys, kita nyo yan. Abubulok na sila. Sobrang dami nila, no? Hindi na nila kaya. So, but still kailangan natin piliin, Nagaganda. Nice. So, kunin natin itong medyo puti-puti pa. Sino daw kausap ko? Ito, maganda pa to. 3. Pwede na kanyan. Kita nyo ba yan? So, medyo talagang ano na sila. Nung unang punta namin dito, medyo madali lang hanapin kasi bago pa sila. Pero this time is medyo ano na siya. Overripe na ba? So this. And let's go buy it. Ito nyo ba yan? Kainin natin. Kita nyo ba yan? Yan. Ito, maganda to. A perfect one. Kasi magawa tayo ng ice cream, no? Kaya so good. Sige, kita na yan. Kita naman yan, no? Nagtatago sila dito. 4. Show. Bugs, they're hiding. Wanna eat this one? So, hanapin natin yung hindi masyadong parang kahit saan is meron na siya, pero be careful because what?
I want to buy the fresh eggs from the egg machine.
We have still eggs at
The
home.
fresh ones. Are they in the fridge?
Yeah,
Oh,
still a lot.
they're in the fridge. So they're full.
Then now. Yeah. So like this.
Nothing for that.
Ito yung mga pamay ko, dinudugo na. So let's go here. Shall Bobs come? Bobs should help me to fill out dust already because we only have few minutes. Okay, done.
I want to have the screen because I want to dump them into the, into smoothie maker without doing anything. Hopefully to make them ready. Make them ready for the smoothie maker.
Okay. So, may mga pumupunta pa last minute. So, nandito kami like 30 minutes before, 30 minutes before mag-close. Just need to be very, very careful. Oy. This one is perfect. Maybe I need to eat this one. Mukbang! Oh, shots. Tingnan ko po dito. Medyo maaraw. Ay, medyo maganda yung weather, no? Hindi mainit, hindi malamig. Hindi sobrang init pala. Hindi siya mainit, hindi siya malamig. Very perfect. Pero, good eye. Pagoda yung lola niya. Para sa ating pakinibuhi. Huy, Babs, so, can you do us this? Name it?
I'm trying to remove that.
Then it's last here, then needs do, so.
Yeah.
Yes, very na. Bahala na kayo maginti sa sinabi ko. Kasi yung aking... this not my try. So, nag-alarm ako, no? So, this is perfect. Kasi yung kinukuha niya, day, agay, medyo pabulok na. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Maalam ka ba maghanap ng mga maayos pa? Hindi na. Sas. Kailangan natin sulitin. Let's give this die schon hier gegangen sind. Das ist eine Familie. Die 5 Leute, ja. Und vielleicht sie haben nur eine diese. Und dann das Kind hat keine, nur einfach essen.
Wirklich.
Schau da, siehst du? Siehst du zurück? Diese, schau mal, diese 2 Kinder und so einfach so essen. Was denkst du? Aber ja, weil die, weißt du, diese Dinge sind alles kaputt, ja? Fast alles kaputt. Dann ist besser zum Essen. Schaust du da? Schaust du? Schön. Gut. So, lumipad na po tayo ang ating team dito sa kabila. And tingnan natin. Shots. Di, shots.
Just eat pops.
Mhm.
And because they're all big.
Banlasa nun ah. Stings dah pala ba? So. Sana mag-swim-swim tayo. Mag-swimming na tayo dito sa ilalim.
What is that, melon or lemon?
You still have melon there.
Lemon.
But, yeah, a little bit.
And this.
So, meron tayong 10 minutes. And ang gagawin natin ay magmumukbang na lang tayo, no? Mukbang time! Da? So, pakainin natin yung ating amat. Huh? When did you go? Go there.
This is so much.
Let's do. Yeah, but they're all almost dying. It's too much, but like they are all dying, Maslo. This one is good, Shaw. Mukbang. Ciao. Nakwas. So, nag-alarm na siya. We only have 10 minutes. Maybe not more. Let's... So, wala na guys, hugas-hugas, no? Then let's look how about here a little bit, loves. This one for you.
Hmm?
Okay. Siya.
You done?
Go now.
Yeah, for sure. Just take some on the way so that we were walking out.
Three.
You can just snack them.
There's 3. We're also gonna get my... Then we're going. So, let's go. Was? Why? There are... You can find really sweet and you can find that's not really sweet. Yeah, it's good. Go. Let's go. So guys, tapos na tayo mag-picking. So ayan, lock na natin ang ating bike. So, Ayan. So yung mga uwak na naririnig nyo. So, tapos mag-bike na tayo sa lake. So, let's go. So, dito muna kami mamahinga, no? And then, ito yung aking view. So, yung bike namin. Ito yung lake na pinagbabikean namin doon. Doon kami lumabas. Bike man hanggang doon, saka dulo. Tapos meron pa yung pasikot yan, tapos dyan, andun. Isang paikot ba? So, ito yung ating full pack. Nakuha natin, ah. Kita nyo naman. Gawin natin yung ice cream. Ito yung nagdugo-dugo na yung mga kamay-kamay namin. So, yan. Gawin natin yung ice cream. And then shake. Tapos, napagalitan tayo ng ating kasama kasi nawala ko yung aking salamin. Nalaglag doon sa sa strawberry. Naramdaman ko na yun. Hindi ko lang pinulot. Sabi ko kunin ko lang after ko mamitas. Pero nakalimutan ko na dahil. So, ang dami ko na nakalimutan. So, nakaraang araw pa nawala din yung cellphone ko ba. Buti na lang may mabait na tao na pinolo. Tapos binigay doon sa information. Tapos yun, nakuha ko agad siya dahil. Agay talaga. Kalimutin na tayo. So, baka sign of aging na ere, no? Ay, higa-higa muna. Tapos, that's all, no? Yun lang ang ginawa natin. Nag-work. Tapos yun, natulog ng 1 oras. Tapos, nag-strawberry picking. Now, dito tayo nagbabike sa ating lake. That's it for today. Bye!